So, creating a blog, here it is asking for an address. Choose a URL that you want. For example, dreamadream.com ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ .blogspot.com ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಹಾರ್ಡ್ವೇರ್ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ವೇರ್ ಶಾಪು ಇನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಾಟ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನೇ ಇಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ಬಟ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಇಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್, ಆರ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಎನಿ ಅದರ್ ನೇಮ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಓಕೆ, ಶಾಹಿದ್ಸ್ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ವೇರ್ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ವೇರ್ ಶಾಪ್, I can keep like this, Shahid's hardware shop. Okay, or I can keep it like Shahid underscore. Okay, this is not supported here, is it? No problem. This one hyphen, yeah. Shahid's hardware shop. I can keep it like this. I can keep it as whatever you want, or my hardware shop. I think this already many of them have. Yeah, I think they already have. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ಹೆಸರು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬ್ಲಾಗ್ ಹೆಸರು ಲೈಕ್ ಡ್ರೀಮ್ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ dream@dream.blogspot ಅಂತ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇದು ಅಲೋ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆಯಾಗಿ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ. ಹಾರ್ಡ್ವೇರ್ ಶಾಪ್ ಇನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್, ನಾನು ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಇದನ್ನೇ ಇಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಹಾರ್ಡ್ವೇರ್ ಶಾಪ್ ಇನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಆನ್ ಸೇವ್. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಕೇಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಯಾ, you have pages, you have posts. Yeah, you have pages, you have posts. There are differences between posts and pages. Yeah, in one page it can be many posts, but in one post you cannot add many pages. Okay, in one post you cannot add many posts, but in one page you can add different things. Okay, first of all we'll create one page. Just go to click on page, new page. This is a blog, so no, usually it has one post, only one page, because visible it's only one thing. Okay, first of all I'll add no, I'll add the image. Okay, for adding the images, ಮನುಷ್ಯರೇ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದಾನೋ ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದಾನೋ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡಿದ ಇಮೇಜು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ, ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್. ಓಕೆ, there is one website called as ಪಿಕ್ಸಾಬೆ. ಪಿಕ್ಸಾಬೆ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಫ್ರೀ ಆಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನೀವು ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಹಾರ್ಡ್ವೇರ್ ಶಾಪ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನಾನು ಫ್ರೀ ಆಗಿರೋ ಇಮೇಜಸ್ಸು ನಾನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು. Just give it as hardware instead of shop.
So what is the name of that website?
It is called, see this one, I'll share you the link. Okay, I've shared you the link, just click on the link. The name of the website is Pixabay. We have one more website, Unsplash ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು, unsplash.com ಅಂತ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಫ್ರೀ ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ಟು ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ದ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್, ಟೇಕ್ ಫ್ರೀ ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ this website. Very useful websites, people, please keep a note of this website. Okay, Khushi is here. Okay, where, yeah, hardware and ಆಗಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ I am getting all the hardware shops things. Okay, anything relevant I'll pick it up. ಹಾರ್ಡ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ವೇರ್, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ಸ್ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ವೇರ್ಸ್, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಲಾಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ವೇರ್ಸ್. Okay, but I am looking for a general hardware stores where we can get home paints, switches, this kind of things. Paint hard, yes, Okay, these all are from stocks. I'll select some other images from here. Hmm. I think this one looks pretty good for me. So what I'll do is I'll just click on free download. I'll select the image resolution. ಸಿ ಮನುಷ್ಯರೇ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಎಮ್ ಬಿ ಆರ್ ಜಿ ಬಿ ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಲೋ ಆಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟು ಲೋಡ್ ಆಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಟೈಮ್ ತೊಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ, ಅಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಲೋ ಆಗಿ ಲೋಡ್ ಆಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಟೈಮ್ ತೊಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ. ಲೋಡ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಲೋಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಲಿಂಕ್ನ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಅದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಟೈಮ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಐ ಡೂ?
Close.
ಯಸ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಲೆಸ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್. ಗೂಗಲ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಜನ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿಸ್ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಡೂ? It will automatically decrease your ranking and it will put you at the last position. So always select a quality image, but yeah, depends. Always keep the images, let it be less kb, but keep a quality image. Also quality plus quantity both. You should know how to manage your how you will manage this one. Okay, this is our website. Okay, save, open. Okay, so I'll insert this image over here. I can upload from my computer. You can add the URL also. You can do, if the blogger images are there, from there you can choose. I'll do it from my computer. Choose file. I'll add the image. Yeah, the image is in center. Yeah, you can change the position of the image if you don't want there. If I want this side or that side, you can change the position of the image, or no, at any point in time you can do that. Oh, should never drag an image like that. Proportion change ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, that is why. Don't do that.
Hello,
Okay.
sir.
Ah.
Sorry to interrupt.
Hmm.
Actually, I'm not getting from login. Can you do it once again? Sorry.
You're not getting from login.
Yeah,
Others are getting the same issue.
show it from once again.
Okay, because I don't want to press this. Okay. Okay, wait, Abrar, wait for some time. Let me just finish this. So then,
Okay, okay, okay.
other
Okay,
person
sir.
will do, right. They'll share their screen. At that time, you'll understand. Yeah. Yeah. So people, I have given a title, hardware shop in Bangalore, right? Here also, I'll give the same title. Why I'm giving the same things again and again? Just to get the ranking for this one. In title, I have that one. I have the image now. I'll put the heading. Okay. I'll just type hardware shop in Bangalore. I'll keep this as heading now. Yeah, you have different options here. You can make lots of changes. You can put colors. You can do lots of things here. Okay, text color, fonts. Okay, from here you can choose HTML. So last time I think many of my students from JavaScript batch and all, they are here. You can just click here. Those who want to do the manual changes on your website. One is this. We are already doing it. This one. Can everyone see this HTML view? From here you can do
Yes,
this
sir.
coding part and all. You can do it from here. Yeah. And then people, you can just write it down the content, whatever the content I told you. But make sure the heading is always there. Yeah, then you can start writing the content. How many words we should write about hardware shop?
300 words.
Huh. We have our hardware shop situated situated in
We can add 5 images in this, sir.
Bangalore. Yes, you can add the images. Not no, depends upon the content. I told maximum of 5 images. Depending upon the content, you can reduce the images and you can increase the number of images. Yeah, depending upon the content. Okay, see, if you have the what to say e-commerce website, you cannot limit yourself to adding 5 images, right? You have lots of products. So depending upon the content and the purpose. Okay, so this is one thing, people. Adding like this, you will write a content. Okay, you can keep on writing the content. This one. Then you will also add the links. How you will add the links? Here there is an option to add the links. Okay, we have, for example, I have registered my hardware shop. We have registered hardware hardware.
Sir, your voice is not proper.
Is it for everyone, or everyone or others are able to hear me? People just say yes or no, at least I can understand. Why so quiet? Everyone are sleeping or what? Yeah, it's clear. Ashraf, I think only you're facing the issue.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So people, 99 corps in an organization on a register madidini. So what will I do is I'll just copy. Just I'm giving the reference. I'll just copy the URL from here. 99 corps. I'll search for my business directly. Copy. I'll search for my business. Then I'll copy the link from here. Okay. Then I'll use this link 99 corp. Then paste the link over here. Open in new window. This I'll tell you what this is exactly. Yeah. Save. It got converted to link now. Anyone can come here and click on the link and move to the particular page. Okay, this is one thing. Yeah, I told you how to add the heading, how to add the image, and how to add the link and the content. Okay, people, any doubts, any questions so far? No doubts, no questions. Anyone have any doubt, any questions? Ask me now itself. Very important step after this, I'll tell you, to get a ranking on Google for blog.
We can't copy paste, no, sir.
No, never copy paste a content. And I'll tell you that also after this. Till now, if you have any doubts, you tell me. After this, I'll tell you some of the tools with which you will get to know whether your content is repeated or copy pasted or whatever it is. You will get to know. How will you get to know? I'll give you those tools also that you can note it down. Yes, people. Any this one that you have any doubts, any questions so far? At least say yes or no, yaar. Literally, I'm getting pissed off now. Sleeping or what? Okay, people have mentioned on the chat box. Okay, no doubts. It's clear. Okay, okay, okay. No problem. Okay, people, click on the image. Okay, I think everything is here. Everything is done, right? I'm not sure existing image. Okay. Okay. People, just click on the image and then click on whatever the images you are adding, right? Just click on the images and click on the setting icon, setting gear, and from there put this alt tag. Why this alt tag is important is, see, browser algorithm can understand whatever you have written and whatever the links you have given. Okay, and also it will understand your image, whatever it is. What about the blind people? Sometimes blind people also visit your page. What about the blind people? How will they know what image you have? So for them also to understand what this image contains, and for traveler also to understand what this image contains, you have to give this alt tag. What is this image? Image ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಏನು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? We have a screws and screwdrivers, right? I'll give it as hardware hardware shops screw driver. Okay, title tag, give it as screwdrivers. Yeah, you can give it as small only and click on update. And this will also give you the ranking. This is also a part of getting a ranking, giving an alt and a title tag for the images. Okay, then just preview ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಬ್ಲಾಗ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. After writing, people, see, I have just written only this many things. After writing everything, ನಾನು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. But you will write 300 words, and you will put 5 images and 5 links. Then you will click on preview, then you will do it. Like, I'll just click on publish. Okay, ಮನುಷ್ಯರೇ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? Any doubts, any questions so far? No doubts, no questions, let me know.
No doubt, sir.
No doubts. Okay, hardware shop in Bangalore. Dot blog spot.com. There is nothing. Okay, we'll wait to know आराम से until it is getting published. People, this is one thing, and tools to understand whether I have written this. ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. How will I know whether this is a copy paste? Same ನಂತರನೇ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ರೆ, how will I know whether this is a copy paste thing? How will I know is it a duplicate thing or not? Okay, so there is one website called as small SEO tools. Small SEO tools ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಇದೆ. Just go there, click on the first link. Can everyone see this plagiarism checker? ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ plagiarism checker, but then too I am telling here. Can everyone see this plagiarism checker?
Yes, sir.
Click on this plagiarism. Very close it here. Click on this plagiarism. Paste your content over here. ಇಷ್ಟೇ ನಾನು ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಬರ್ದಿರೋದು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್, ಬಟ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ 300 words. You will have a great idea now what and where it's happening, everything. Then click here. It will give you the result and the outcome, everything. Arre. Sorry, I clicked on the wrong place. Paste the content over here. Before it was free, now they have made paid or what? Okay. Yeah, people, just paste your content over there. Can everyone this check plagiarism button, and click on this check plagiarism button, or you can also give the link of your website. You know, just do this. I'm not robot. Then click on check plagiarism. See, please add at least 20 words to check the plagiarism. Yeah, you can just ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಡೌಟ್ ಅದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು, because I have written very less content. However, keep a note of this website, that it will help you understand whether your content is copy pasted, whether ನಿಮ್ಮ content copy paste ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ಅಥವಾ duplicate content ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು. This are all the things you will get to know by using this website. Any doubts, any questions so far?
No, sir.
Doubts, no questions. If anyone have more doubts, more questions, people can connect with Fatima. She'll help you, because she before before also she was writing blogs. She has written her blogs before also, using blogspot, using blogger.com. So yeah, you can connect with her for sure. She'll help you. Yeah, people, so this is a task for everyone for the day. Anyone can share your screen and show us how do we proceed further, how do we do the blog, so that Abrar also, Abrar did not understood how to do it. Can anyone show it to Abrar how to make a blog? No worries, even I'll help. Vinod, Mayur, Surya, can any one of you share the screen? No? Oh, Surya has shared a screen. Abrar, you're here now.
Yes, sir.
See the screen. Yes, Surya, share your screen. Surya or Mayur? Sorry, Mayur, you shared the screen, right? Yeah, sorry.
ಶೇರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಶೇರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಮಯೂರ್.
Yes, Mayur.
Go to Google and type in blogger.com, login, click on the first link.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮೇಲ್ ಐಡಿ ಕೇಳ್ತು ವೆರಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ಗೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಓಪನ್ ಆಯ್ತು.
Okay.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಟಲ್.
Where? Again, once again. How to log in?
How to log in? Better you share your screen, Abrar, then others can help you. Yeah, I think Mayur, that would work, right? If he's sharing
Yes,
his
yes,
screen.
enough.
No, actually, what happened is in my mobile, it's not happening. After closing this app, the call is getting cut. So I'm doing that in laptop.
You're doing in laptop.
Yeah.
Then it should be great, right? Just click on login or sign in over there. It will ask for email ID. Then
There is a something called create your blog or something in right side. There is sign in. If I click on there, it's not happening. Okay.
What it is showing.
Got it. We should sign with our email or which you gave yesterday.
No, you should sign from your email.
Okay.
So team, for everyone, this is the task. We'll understand, first of all we'll make our blogs, then we'll understand whether we are getting a ranking. Yesterday we have did the keyword research also, right? We have understood which one has a low competition. If you have chosen the keywords that has a low competition, which means your blog should rank on Google, right? We'll test this. Yeah, I know this would take some time, but we are not going anywhere, everyone are here only. So for sure, we will see the ranking of each and everyone's blog also. So request everyone to write a blog post, very important part this is. Yeah, make your blogs, everyone, take your time, make your blogs. One day is enough, right, to make a blog. Fatima, what your experience says, one day is enough to make a blog?
If we have information, then obviously 1 hour is enough, sir.
Okay, if you people have information, then 1 hour is enough, she's selling. However, we'll keep it as one day of that. Request everyone to submit your blog URL tomorrow, so that we can show to everyone and we can understand what and all our people have did, what and all the wonders that your people have did. And we'll check the ranking for the blogs that you are doing. Yeah, I think that's it for the day. Just make the vlogs. This is really very important. If you have not did the keyword research till now, please do the keyword research. Keyword research is really very important to get the rank on the Google. Not that easily. For making a channel, for making any of the social media channel, like Facebook, Twitter, let it be anything. Before doing a keyword research, before doing an analysis on it, before doing what people talk about your topic, if you're doing it, then it's of no use. Less competition, high searches will give you the great result. So please do the keyword research part, very important in any of the industry. Yeah, okay, that's it for the day, people. If you have any doubts, any questions, you can ask me, or we'll just share your blog link. It's get idea. Okay, why are you sharing? Fatima, share your blog link, let's get idea of doing blog. Okay, Fatima, can you do that?
Yes, sir, share.
Okay, okay, Fatima will share the link of her blog, so that yeah, everyone can see it. Indirectly, Fatima is getting lots of traffic to her blog. Yeah,
Sir, can I share it? But because my phone is with my dad, so
no problem. Whenever you're free, share in the group.
okay.
How to know what people is searching for? How to know what people are searching for? Let me just share you my screen. Others also have this question in your mind. How many of you have this question in your mind? How to know what people are searching? Day before yesterday's topics. Okay, Mayur has this question. Okay, some other people who have this question. Okay, let me just share you my screen. First of all, in a keyword research, while doing a keyword research, right, there itself it will show you some alternates, right, which means those things also people are searching for. And one more, there is a great tool by Google Trends anta one tool ಇದೆ. For example, okay, Google Trends, just click on, just type Google Trends, go here. I want to know what people are searching for, about what industry. For example, I have NGO. I'll search for NGO. I'll do enter. It will tell me how many searches are happening. Okay, but I don't want how many searches are happening, what's happening. I want to know what people are searching. People, can you people see this? number of countries it's been searched. Yeah, here orphan topic 400 plus, 400%, no just the people are you can click on the related things over here. You will get to know what people are speaking. ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಎನ್ ಜಿ ಒ ಡೇ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮನುಷ್ಯರು ಏನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಟು ನೋ ಇನ್ವಿಸಿಬಲ್ ಎನ್ ಜಿ ಒ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಆರ್ಫನೇಜ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ಸಮ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆರ್ ಸರ್ಚಿಂಗ್ ನೌ ಡೇಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ಆರ್ ಟ್ರೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೀನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಡಾಗ್ ಎನ್ ಜಿ ಒ ನಿಯರ್ ಮೀ ಅಂತ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅನಿಮಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಟು ಮೀ ಎನ್ ಜಿ ಒ, ಎನ್ ಜಿ ಒ ಫಾರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ನಿಯರ್ ಮೀ. ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಲಾಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಹಂಡ್ರೆಡ್ ಥೌಸಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ಓವರ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮನುಷ್ಯರು ಏನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ಸೊ ಇದೇ ಕೀವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ನ ಬೇಕಾದರೆ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೀವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿ, ಸಿ ವೆದರ್ ದ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೋರ್, ದೆನ್ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್. ಅಶ್ರಫ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ರೈಟ್? ಅಶ್ರಫ್, ಮಯೂರ್,
ಎಸ್ ಅಣ್ಣ.
ಗ್ರೇಟ್. ಟೂಲ್ಸ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಶೋರ್ ಯು ಕೀಪ್ ಅ ನೋಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಟೂಲ್ಸ್, ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟೂಲ್ಸ್ when it comes to digital marketing. These website tools and all, right, will give you lots of benefits. And ask as many questions you want, so that I'll get like Ashraf asked me this question. Now I get an idea, like Google Trends ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ. If you ask me lots of questions, I'll give you lots of information on that. Yeah, okay, that's it for the day. Yeah, if you people don't have any questions, any doubts, request everyone to make a blog. And also please share your feedbacks on the group ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಫೀಡ್ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, share your feedbacks in the group. Yeah, and yeah, that's it. Bye for now, people. Enjoy the day.